I would have shot your ass.
You can take my girl. I ain't even. Oh god.
We got my boy Toon. Hey Toon. Hey Toon. What's up, Toon? Gonna have a little bit of fun. Ready for the boys and the girls out there. The 1%.
It's a little slight work when it comes in the future.
So this is our little drift spot. I call it the skid pad. You will not get the location of it. Don't ask me. And something going on with this Nissan over here.
I think, you know, they practice driving up.
I feel like this man is playing or something. Girl Nash. I can't think that motherfucker does look evil. You can't even hear my shit next to that shit, to be honest.
Hey, he love tucking that shell. You know how it is.
I feel bad for not washing my car.
You could have watched it today.
So T-Pain,
Get out of here.
how you liking the Shelby, bro?
Man, you know, it's an experience. Golly. It's an experience, you know, moving up in the world, you know.
I didn't move up in the world so soon.
Well, you know.
Hard work pays off.
Hard work does pays off. Sleep with girls, with Shelby. You got girls chasing you, you know. It's a whole different world.
Take that part out. You don't want to get caught up. Take that shit out.
Of course, Cameron the only one that's diagonal.
He got a diagonal too. I'm diagonal because you went diagonal, you know.
I'm in the cut.
Ooh, it's cold. It's cold.
Oh, dang, Nick coming. Yeah.
What's your, tell me your YouTube channel.
Total Review. Total Review.
Frozen as fuck over here. Jesus Christ. This shit. Let's see if this shit still works. It's icy as fuck, so I'm gonna bust that ass.
Got a lot of venom on there from yesterday. I get about 4 passengers just to help you out. You know? Just saying.
I mean, I don't doubt it's fast.
Oh, it is space. Damn.
Damn. You really feel, bro?
But look, this is how we started beef, man.
Let's see. Let's try, let's see.
Cut that.
Cut that.
This guy want to pass me up while I got a chick in the car. So I'm like, you know, just disrespect, because if he had a chick in the car, I would have passed.
Right.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying, man. That's what I'm saying.
He would have destroyed me.
I would not have done that to you, man.
Destroyed me.
I would not do that.
You cutthroat.
I would not do that.
You ain't that damn thing. Rule of thumb. Hey, hold on. Rule of thumb, though, if you got a chick in the car, you're not supposed to. He would have.
That's what I'm saying. Because then she's gonna be like, oh my gosh, he beat you, so now she wanna get in your car.
Oh, damn.
I'm just saying.
Hold on, she didn't say that. She didn't say. Hold on, she did not say that. She did not say that. I would have shot your ass. You can take my girl.
Oh god. I'm serious. Oh man.
Here. Are they still together right now? Are y'all still together right now? And it ain't because of me.
We're not together.
But it ain't because
Look,
it's not
what
because
happened was after we raced, she got in his car.
No, hold on, whoa! No, she didn't get in my car. No, she didn't. She didn't get tricked.
It's a long story, dog. It's a long story.
I thought you was a light-skinned motherfucker. Oh, shoot. So y'all got together no more?
Nah, man.
Are you really telling this lie? Are you really telling this lie?
Home record, bro. I ain't playing no more. I ain't playing. Y'all taking girls with motors and shit.
Hey, that look. These shoes hurt.
Yeah, take this shit. I'm good. Yeah, I'm good.
I don't want to get my.
Hey, so who won that? Who won that?
KB.
He won the bowling.
Nah, Kerry did. Kerry was first. I was second.
I'm ass. I can't fake it.
I was terrible too. It was just fluke.
Yeah, that score. He got like 131. I got 46.
I don't know what I got. I was drunk.
Oh, you did get 46. He got 46 for real.
Yeah, I'm terrible.
Me? Jordan.
I did, yeah.
Next event, I have to go like to Dave and Buster's or something.
The driving
Get you on the
games.
basketball.
Oh yeah, dog. Hey, we need to go to Dave Buster's next time for real. It's hella fun. Dave and Buster's.
Yeah.
It's expensive, but
Paintball.
Paintball? I'm always down.
I'm always down for that. We gotta let it warm up a little bit though.
Play some bowling. How you feel?
I feel like I'm still trash. And we gotta drive in this snow.
Oh, look at this shit. Oh my god, hold on. Oh my god, look at this shit. Woo! This snow legit came out of left field.